In 2004, lawyers for Pfizer, the world's largest drug company, promised it wouldn't break the law again. The attorneys were negotiating with federal prosecutors over charges that the corporation had been engaging in healthcare fraud after one of Pfizer's units had been pushing doctors to prescribe an epilepsy drug called Neurontin for uses the Food and Drug Administration had never approved. In the agreement, the Pfizer unit, Warner Lambert, pleaded guilty to 2 felony counts of marketing a drug for unapproved uses. Pfizer agreed to pay $430 million in criminal fines and civil penalties, and the company's lawyers assured prosecutors that Pfizer and its units would stop promoting drugs for unauthorized purposes. But Bloomberg News now reports that Pfizer managers were breaking that promise even before the ink was dry on their plea. This past September, another Pfizer unit agreed to plead guilty to the same crime. This time, Pfizer executives have been instructing more than 100 salespeople to promote Bextra, a drug approved for the relief of arthritis and menstrual discomfort for treatment of acute pains of all kinds. But eventually, the FDA found Bextra to be so dangerous that Pfizer took it off the market for all uses in 2005. For this new felony, Pfizer paid the largest criminal fine in U.S. history, $1.19 billion. Prosecutor Michael Lukes told Bloomberg, quote, "At the very same time Pfizer was in our office negotiating and resolving the allegations of criminal conduct in 2004, Pfizer was itself and its other operations violating those very same laws. They've repeatedly marketed drugs for things they knew they couldn't demonstrate efficacy for. That's clearly criminal."